Have you ever upgraded your car's speakers only to realize the bass still feels weak and flat? You're not alone. Many drivers invest in premium speakers but forget that true, heart-pounding sound starts with a great subwoofer. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best Pioneer Car Subwoofers that will completely transform your driving experience with deep, clean, and powerful bass. Whether you're rocking a compact sedan, a truck, or an SUV, this lineup has something for every setup and space. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our in-depth reviews, car audio tips, and sound system breakdowns. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on these Pioneer subwoofers. And after watching the video, let me know in the comments which Pioneer subwoofer impressed you the most. I love hearing what gear you're running in your ride. Let's kick things off with number 5, the Pioneer D-Series TS-D10LB. A 10-inch powerhouse that's built to deliver hard-hitting lows in a perfectly tuned preloaded enclosure. This subwoofer packs an impressive 1300 watts of peak power and 400 watts RMS, which means it can handle serious output without distortion. It's built with a butyl rubber surround and aramid fiber interlaced injection-molded polypropylene cone, ensuring durability and flexibility even at high excursion. The enclosure is tightly sealed to maximize bass response, giving you that rich, tight punch that hits deep and clean. What makes the D-Series TS-D10LB stand out is its sheer balance between precision and power. Unlike some subs that focus only on volume, this one is engineered for clarity, delivering controlled bass that blends perfectly with your mids and highs. It's perfect for anyone who wants a hard-hitting, refined sound without the need for a custom box or complicated installation. The built-in enclosure makes setup easy. Just wire it up and you're ready to feel the beat. If we had to mention a shortcoming, it's that this sub takes up a bit more trunk space than the shallow mount designs. But with the quality of bass you get, it's absolutely worth it. Coming in at number 4 is the Pioneer A-Series TS-A2000LD2, a compact 8-inch subwoofer that's ideal for tight installations where space is limited but bass is still a must. This subwoofer handles 700 watts peak power and 250 watts RMS, giving you deep dynamic bass from a smaller driver. It features a dual 2-ohm voice coil that gives you flexible wiring options for different amplifier setups. Thanks to its shallow mount design, it fits easily under seats, behind seats, or in small trunk areas without compromising performance. The standout feature here is its ability to deliver surprisingly deep bass from such a compact driver. Pioneer engineered this sub with an optimized motor structure and mica-injected molded resin cone that enhances bass output while maintaining stiffness and accuracy. It's ideal for drivers who want to upgrade their factory system without major modifications. Think daily drivers, small cars, or anyone looking to save space without sacrificing low-end punch. The only minor drawback is that it doesn't hit quite as deep as the larger 10-inch or 12-inch models, but for its size, it delivers exceptional value and performance that's hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Pioneer TS-A2000LB, which takes the same great driver as the TS-A2000LD2 but steps it up with a preloaded shallow mount enclosure for even easier installation and enhanced sound tuning. This model also offers 700 watts peak power and 250 watts RMS, giving you consistent performance with deep and clean bass. The sealed enclosure is designed to perfectly complement the sub's frequency response, producing tight, accurate bass even in compact vehicles. What really makes the TS-A2000LB subwoofer shine is its ready-to-install design. It's literally plug and play. You don't need to worry about building or matching a box, which saves a lot of time and hassle. Despite being only 8 inches, it delivers a solid low-end punch that's ideal for small sedans, coupes, or single-cab trucks where space is a premium. It's best suited for users who want Pioneer sound quality without dealing with a complex setup. If there's one limitation, it's that extreme bass lovers might crave more thump than an 8-inch sub can provide. But for clean, efficient bass that fits anywhere, this one's worth every penny. Sliding into number 2 is the Pioneer A-Series TS-A2500LS4, a 10-inch shallow-mount subwoofer designed to deliver massive bass even when space is tight. This sub offers 1200 watts peak power and 300 watts RMS, providing impressive headroom for those who like their bass strong and clean. It's built with a mica-injected molded resin cone and butyl rubber surround, offering both durability and excellent sound response. The single 4-ohm voice coil design makes wiring simple and amplifier matching easy, while the shallow mount depth ensures it fits in places traditional subs can't, like under seats or in slim enclosures. The TS-A2500LS4 stands out because it brings 10-inch power in a compact frame, which means you get the best of both worlds: deep bass that doesn't eat up all your space. It's ideal for truck owners, SUV drivers, or anyone who wants a strong low end without sacrificing cargo room. The sound is clean, rich, and surprisingly powerful for a shallow mount unit. The only slight drawback is that it may not handle extreme SPL setups like competition subs, but for everyday listening and musical enjoyment, it's an absolute powerhouse that delivers beyond expectations. Finally, at number 1, we have the king of the list, the Pioneer A-Series TS-A3000LS4, a 12-inch shallow-mount subwoofer that defines the perfect blend of power, clarity, and space-saving design. With 1500 watts of peak power and 400 watts RMS, this subwoofer is capable of delivering deep, thunderous bass that you can feel in your chest. The mica-injected molded resin cone ensures rigidity for accurate bass reproduction, while the butyl rubber surround enhances excursion and reliability. Despite its large size, the shallow mount profile makes it suitable for tight installations in trucks, coupes, or any vehicle where space is limited. What makes the TS-A3000LS4 truly outstanding is how it delivers 12-inch bass depth in an enclosure-friendly design. It produces full-bodied lows that bring your music to life, whether you're listening to hip-hop, EDM, or rock. The sound remains tight and controlled even at high volumes, which is a testament to Pioneer's precision engineering. It's best for anyone who wants that deep, room-filling bass in their car without losing trunk or cabin space. If there's one downside, it's that it requires a good amplifier to unlock its full potential. But once properly powered, the payoff is absolutely worth it. And there you have it. The top 5 best Pioneer Car subwoofers that can completely transform your audio system. From the compact and efficient 8-inch models to the deep, powerful 12-inch beast at number 1, Pioneer continues to prove why it's one of the most trusted names in car audio. Each of these subs delivers quality, clarity, and bass that brings your favorite songs to life. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got more reviews, installation tips, and audio comparisons coming your way. Check out the links in the description below to grab the latest deals on these Pioneer subwoofers before prices change. And tell me in the comments which of these subs fits your setup best. Ardesek. Use you. Going for the space-saving 8-inch or the hard-hitting 12-inch? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your music loud and your bass clean.